You have to grow from inside out. None can teach you, none can make you spiritual. There is no other teacher but your own soul. Take risk in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. Arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached. Talk to yourself once in a day. Otherwise, you may miss meeting an intelligent person in this world. In a day when you don't come across any problems, you can be sure that you are traveling in a wrong path. All the powers in the universe are already ours. It is we who have put our hands before our eyes and cry that it is dark. The fire that warms us can also consume us. It is not the fault of the fire. Neither seek nor avoid. Take what comes. When an idea exclusively occupies the mind, it is transformed into an actual physical and mental state. External nature is only internal nature writ large. Learn everything that is good from others, but bring it in, and in your own way absorb it. Do not become others. The will is not free. It is a phenomena bound by cause and effect. But there is something behind the will which is free. Our duty is to encourage everyone in his struggle to live up to his own highest idea and strive at the same time to make the ideal as possible to the truth. Comfort is no test of truth. Truth is often far from being comfortable. Experience is the only teacher we have. We may talk and reason all our lives, but we shall not understand a word of truth. The great secret of true success, of true happiness, is this: the man or woman who asks for no return, the perfectly unselfish person, is the most successful. Be the servant while leading. Be unselfish. Have infinite patience, and success is yours. Do one thing at a time, and while doing it, put your whole soul into it, to the exclusion of all else. If you think yourself strong, strong you will be. Each work has to pass through these stages: ridicule, opposition, and then acceptance. Those who think ahead of their time are sure to be misunderstood. Be not afraid of anything. You will do marvelous work. It is fearlessness that brings heaven even in a moment.